resonance of the body beta. We will discuss about the resonance of the body. So generally what resonance beta, when you know the tuning fork in PUC you studied tuning fork is there, like tuning fork is there. Okay, what is the resonance? When you are vibrating the body, the amplitude is very high. Amplitude of this is very high. Very high means the natural frequency of that body and the applied frequency of that body will becomes equal. That condition, the such a body we called as a resonance condition. So once again, so one body is there, this is A is a body, the body is starting to vibrate. When it is going to vibrate? When applying the external periodic force for this, then the natural frequency of this body W and the applied frequency of this is P. Therefore P is equal to omega mathematically. Then this body, such condition of the body vibration is called as a frequency. Sorry, I mean to say resonance. I mean to say whenever resonance is there means there is a condition, the amplitude will be very high. These are the conditions. So in this way, how to define this once again means resonance means the resonance, it is the frequency with which the body oscillates when the natural frequency of the body is equal to the frequency of the external, or I mean say applied periodic force acting on the body at that condition, or the energy transfer is very high, or the periodic force is maximum. So then the amplitude is also maximum, called as a resonance conditions. Or summary in this way, what are the two conditions means, you remember damping conditions is very small. What do you mean by damping means? Damping means it is a opposing, it is a resisting. Damping force is there, no? Damping force means whatever the vibrating body is in the liquid it opposes the vibrating. Therefore here damping is small, then amplitude will be very high. These are the two important conditions you need to remember. What is the frequency means? One frequency is that frequency is natural frequency and the applied frequency is equal, that is the resonance, that condition of the body resonance. What are the condition means? Its damping condition is very small. So these we need to write, the condition and the frequency resonance definition. Remember amplitude is very high and the frequency is damping is very low for that. So with the help of this, okay, what with the help of this, or we can rewrite one equation. What is that? A is equal to, or A maximum I will write. A maximum means frequency is equal to F by M divided by 2B omega. So B omega actually it is what beta? F by M divided by 2P. P is there. P is equal to omega, because you know the frequency resonance definition, the applied frequency and the natural frequency will be equal. Therefore A maximum is equal to F by M divided by 2B. Instead of P, omega I will write. So this is the maximum value for the amplitude. Or we can write A is equal to F by M is equal to 2PB. This is the difference. This is the applied, this is the natural. So this way you need to define the resonance condition. So based on this, what is the sharpness of resonance? You know the meaning. See, for example, one body, you take one body, this is the body, okay, this is the body, irregular body. When it start to vibrate or you beat it, it start vibrating, graphically you are going to represent this. Graphical means, for example, this one axis and this is one axis, for example. So this is the, for example, natural frequency, this is the amplitude is there. So when start to vibrate this body, how will it will change, like for it will like amplitude, another amplitude, another amplitude, another amplitude, means maximum displacement. These are the maximum displacement beta. First displacement, second displacement, third displacement, fourth displacement. This is the peak values beta. It means the amplitude is very high. Amplitude is very high means the resonance is very high. Am I right? Amplitude is very high means resonance is very high. Amplitude is less, resonance is less. Resonance is less. I mean to say another condition is there. This we called smallest of the amplitude is this called B is equal to 3 value. This is B is equal to 2 value. B is, what is the B? B is the damping value. B is the damping condition. B is the damping constant. The damping value is small, the amplitude is very high. So these are the condition. By this picture, by this graph, what I concluded that the variation of the amplitude is that increasing amplitude when decreasing the damping constant. Here first one is B is equal to 0. B is equal to 0 means damping is small. Small means amplitude is very high. B is this is B is equal to 0, B is equal to 4, B is equal to 3, B is equal to 2, B is equal to 1. 4, 5. B is greater, amplitude is smaller. Like this, we will write the 3-4 points for that. Only remember to to say that sharpness means only amplitude is high and damping is very small. That condition you need to write. Or how to write the definition in mathematically for this sharpness means, see, nothing but sharpness of the resonance can be written as change of amplitude to the change in frequency. Change of amplitude क्या है बेटा? A maximum minus A. A is what? Amplitude. What amplitude? Amplitude of the body when it reaches maximum. When it reaches maximum, the amplitude of the body when it is initial position divided by, this is change of amplitude, divided by change in frequency. Change in frequency, for example, W omega, or this is WA. WA means A maximum minus A. W omega means applied minus natural frequency. P minus omega. P is the applied, omega is the natural. This is the formula for the sharpness. Mathematically, this verbal statement, how it is the ratio of the change of amplitude to the change of amplitude to the corresponding change of the frequency, that is applied frequency to the natural frequency. In this way you need to write. Or more than that means, so that we write substitute the formula F by M divided by P minus omega divided by 2P omega P divided by P minus omega. It will get. How it is, I will show you. How it is, how you write. You know that A maximum minus A. A is the amplitude. A maximum is the amplitude of the body when it is condition is resonance. A is the body when it is not resonance, when small vibrating is there. So that apply the formula. A maximum is equal to what beta? F by M divided by 2B omega is there. Instead of P, it is omega, because the natural and the applied is equal, minus F by M divided by 2P. This is it. So what is the common here? F by M is taken common. 1 by 2B omega minus 1 by 2P. B is there. Take LCM for both. What is there? 2BP omega. 2BP omega is taken common. So F by M is as it is. So this is P minus omega, it will be there. Like that I wrote this. Okay. So again, okay, you need to remember only this only. Again, based on this, he may ask you in like this: what is the effect of damping? What is the effect of damping? So effect of damping means you draw this diagram. Okay, where is it? Effect of the damping means you draw the diagram. So amplitude versus natural frequency, different peak values of the body vibrating is there. So that you write in the point wise and write the definition of this. You will get the 5 marks. So once again I come. Resonance means what? Then amplitude of the body, it reaches its maximum frequency with the applied frequency. That's it. Condition is that damping is low and amplitude is high. That's what sharpness is. It is the ratio of the change of amplitude to the change of frequency. That's it. So these you write, 5 marks you will get. Okay. So second point we will discuss another one important bit, that is called example of resonance. What is the example of resonance? Okay. So here one mechanical example he may ask you, but that is also 10 marks or 5 marks here. Or it is also called as a Helmholtz, a scientist name is the Helmholtz. Okay. Helmholtz resonator. Helmholtz resonator is nothing but it's a very simple device. What is this Helmholtz resonator means? Whatever the body is going to start the vibration, then it make equal to its applied frequency and natural frequency. Such body is called Helmholtz resonator. He gave an experiment. He simple experiment. What is that? Like a tube. This is a balloon is there, no? Like a balloon is there. See, like balloon. Like look. Yes, cylinder is there. Okay. Here having one A side, another one is the B side. One neck is there, A hole, B hole. One small neck is there, and some volume V is there. So this is the experiment setup for the Helmholtz. Okay, what is the use of this? It is used to detect the quality of the musical note. quality of the musical note. So how much quality is there, whatever is there. So this is the construction. How it work beta? It is working when the sound is entered into the air, sound is entered through the air into the volume, the suddenly the space or the volume occupies some air and start to make the vibrating, and it equals to PW. PW means applied frequency of the air is equal to the natural frequency of the body. That time its vibration or its blowing sound is very maximum. So that sound will come from the point B. In this way you need to determine its speed of sound also, or the resonance of the frequency can be obtained by the formula. What is that? Vs divided by 2 pi A by VL. A is the cross section of the neck. A is the cross section of the neck. V is the volume of the this box or the balloon or the vessel. L is the length of the neck, and Vs is the speed of the sound in the air what I am blowing. In this way you need to describe the Helmholtz resonator for 5 marks. Okay, so ಇದು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಟ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಏಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ನೋಡೋಣ.